Hi, good morning. I saw a project I wanted to try. So I have pretty long hair, and sleeping in it is actually a chore and difficult to sleep at night. I'm constantly waking up and flipping up my hair, and I can't sleep in braids. Just gives me a headache. So I saw on Dainty Diaries on YouTube did this really cute tutorial on how to make a hair accessory to put in your hair so that it was designed to curl your hair. So I'm going to make that today, and it looks like the way she has it made that I might be able to sleep in it, and so it'll give me a two-in-one purpose. I can get some curl in my hair, and then hopefully I can sleep in it and not constantly be waking up sleeping on my hair. So I have some, it calls for satin fabric, or she suggested if you don't have satin fabric, like a cotton or even a cotton poly blend would work. She measured it out at 35 inches long at 3 inches wide, and then sewed it like a tube with the open on one end so that you can stuff it. So I'm going to get my material out and my machine and go ahead and make this, and then at the end I will put it together and see how it looks. Let's go. Okay, so I have my fabric cut. I'm just going to add this pin to the end on the inside. Now make sure you fold your right sides together first, but I'm going to add this pin down here just to help make it easier, pull it through when we're done sewing. I'm going to clip mine. You can use pins, but pins tend to mark, and because it's a slippery fabric, it's hard to pin anyway. So now you want to push the pin through to turn it right side. So using that pin makes it a lot easier to be able to turn it. So I'm just going to use some of this polyfill and fill it and see how it goes. So that probably took me like maybe 20 minutes to fill that. So tedious, but doable. So I'm just going to tuck my ends in and stitch straight across and call it good. And just clip your threads. And you're all done. So I'm going to give it a try tonight, and I'll give you an update at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hi, good morning. So I made my head wrap. I still need to figure out what we call it. And I slept in it, and so I want to show you the results. So you just, after you wrap it, put it on with a scrunchie. Now, in the back, I had these tucked together and one under another scrunchie to hold it in place overnight. I don't know if I can show you. Of course, it doesn't want to play nice. It was much easier last night behind my back. Okay, so I just put them together like this, and it stayed all night long. I have yet to try it when it's just wet, because a lot of times I just shower before I go to bed. I seem to think that might hold the curl a little better, or maybe putting in some kind of hair product, some mousse or something. But I don't know, that looks pretty good. In fact, last night my hair was actually dry, so I just took a small water bottle and spritzed it down with some water just so that it was a little damp. And I have all these curls. So this is not a hair tutorial by any means. It was more of a craft video, and hey, I think I can sleep in this. So I hope this might help someone else. And if so, let me know. Thanks. Bye.